Motorcycles mechanics workshop. Safety equipment. Safety gloves. Wearing the correct safety gloves is of the utmost importance and vital. Their use avoid hands injury, upholding the correct health and safety regulations. Also avoiding expensive days off due to injury, as a minor cut or hand injury can lead to infection and more serious health problems. Safety goggles and glasses, and welding masks. Safety goggles protect the user from many kind of danger. Their use allow the wearer to handle potentially harmful chemicals without fear of damaging their eyes. They also protect the eye from physical trauma, e.g. an explosion. For welding, ever use a mask. Safety shoes and boots. Protective, safety footwear is essential to ensure safe and healthy feet. Falling and rolling objects or cuts and punctures are a serious concern. Boots and shoes protect your feet, preventing injuries and reducing the severity of injuries that may occur. Exercise. Fishing. Safety footwear is essential to ensure safe and healthy feet. Use ever the correct. Safety gloves. Safety equipment is essential in all businesses no matter their size. Use ever. Safety goggles. When welding, connect. Safety goggles and glasses protect the eye from physical trauma. Safety boots protects of falling and rolling objects. Safety gloves. To use them is vital for avoiding hands injury. Safety shoes is essential to ensure safe and healthy feet. Put in the right order. Boots and shoes protect your feet, preventing injuries. Falling and rolling objects are a serious concern. Use the correct safety gloves. To use safety gloves is vital for avoiding hands injury. Safety goggles and glasses protect the users of damaging their eyes. Motorcycles mechanics workshop. Safety equipment. Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.